Hello traders, welcome back to Simply Forex. Welcome to the live stream. I hope you all had a nice weekend. What did you get up to? Was you studying the charts or was you out partying? Please leave a message. Yeah, guys. So yeah, welcome to the live stream, everyone. First of all, quick shout out to Ben Naylor for joining our gold membership. Welcome to the Simply Forex YouTube membership, Ben. Nice to have you. And also, guys, while I'm in the mood of announcements, you can see there's a banner across the top of the screen, okay? And you'll also notice, guys, that we are almost at 5,000 subs. So first of all, guys, I'd like to thank everyone who's made that possible, as in you guys, for joining us every day, enjoying the live streams, enjoying my analysis vids. You know, some of you are with us on the free Discord channel as well. So yeah, thank you to everyone who made this possible. We are almost at 5,000 subs. I hope I haven't cursed it and we never reach 5,000. I'm sure we will. And guys, as soon as we hit 5,000 subs, yeah, as soon as we hit it, hopefully we'll be awake. We are going to give 50% of our yearly VIP Discord. So as soon as we hit 5,000 subs, guys, we are going to give 50% off our yearly VIP Discord, guys. All right. So if you're interested in that, then you have basically 5 days. Yeah. Everything's to do with 5. Yeah. We've got 5,000 subs, got 50% off, and we're going to run this promotion for 5 days. All right. As soon as we hit 5,000 subs. So if you're interested, guys, all you need to do is join our free Discord channel, first of all. And if you haven't joined it, why the hell not? Join the free Discord channel first, and then you can go in there and you can just easily join the VIP Discord with the 50% off. You'll see it there. And if not, we can help you anyway in the free Discord channel, guys. So join the free Discord channel. Get ready to take advantage of this promotion. We'll be running it for 5 days as soon as we hit 5,000 subs. Okay. Yeah, here we go. Exciting stuff. I remember when we had about 10 subs. We've come a long way, guys. Yeah, so thank you very much to everyone. Right, let's see who is in the house. Okay, Neju. Hello, Neju. Moisen, hi. Carlos, hope you're doing well as well. Michael, hi, Tom. Hi, Michael. Michael, are you a new member? I don't think I've seen your name before. Welcome. I see your name is in green. Brett, afternoon, Brett. How are you, mate? Song Love, the best, the beautifulest name in trading. Colin, how are you, mate? Angus, oi, oi, Savaloy. How are you? You can't help but say that saying and sound very English. Renewable Nat, how are you, mate? Denny, good day, mate. Vanessa, Carmite, Daniel from Liverpool. Daniel, good man. Are you a Liverpool fan? I hope so. We won the Merseyside derby on Saturday, 2-0. Yeah, very happy. Liquid H, how are you, mate? Zor, hi from Myanmar. You may be our first Myanmarian, is that the right term? Subscriber. Greg, how are you, mate? And Mayo. Hi, guys. Hi, everyone. Yeah, welcome to the live stream. So remember, guys, yeah, I know I've done a few announcements, but we're still going to do, you know, all of your questions, guys. So any questions to do with trading? Maybe it's a currency pair that you're in. Maybe you just need help with money management. Maybe you need help with a strategy, price action, support and resistance, whatever it is, guys. You can ask me a question on the live stream right now. If you are a Simply Forex YouTube member, as in your name is in green, we will answer your questions first as you are a member. But yeah, we'll try to get round to everyone's questions, guys. All right. And can I just say one more time, Liverpool won the Merseyside derby. Yes. Happy trader right here. Coprod, how are you, mate? So trades for today, guys, is not a lot happening. Yeah. We've done all these announcements, 5,000 subs, and then not much happening. Yeah, not much happening, guys, really, with the trades I was looking at. So I'm looking at Canadian dollar, Japanese yen short. I was looking at silver short, and I'm looking at oil as well for a buy. So, you know, I was interested in oil, but it's just a few things that have, you know, made me less interested, to be quite honest. So you can see we're in an uptrend. All right. And for me, I was really interested in this level. Yeah, because we was above the moving average 20. We held on to this grey zone and this level of support. Yeah, we just about held on to it. Whereas now it's sort of broken down below this area of support. And now potentially this could be a bit of resistance to take price lower. So I haven't had a trade on oil as yet for those reasons. I'm still interested in oil. And I actually added this channel today as well, which you can see, this blue line. So I'm going to give price a chance to potentially come back down to these lows and then potentially this, you know, and react at this channel and see what kind of reaction we get in here. If not, I'll be waiting for price, you know, to come back down to the last level of support in here. Okay, and see what reaction we get. So either one of these two zones here or here, this is where I've now become interested in oil, guys. All right, just because we've broken out of this area of support. So that's oil. Yeah, we're just waiting for that. And we, you know, and we had a big gap down. Look at this gap down. But the market always wants to fill these gaps. Yeah, always. There's a gap here, gets filled before it moves. Yeah, there's a gap here, gets filled before it moves. Yeah, the market wants to fill these gaps. Yeah. So so yeah, that's what we're seeing on oil, guys. Hi, Tom. What is the code for the VIP discount? So, Juan, you just need to join our free Discord channel, okay? And then you just go and follow the VIP room. There's a VIP subscription room. You click on a link in there, and it will give you the VIP 50% off. But you will only see this 50% off once we hit 5,000 subs. So it might happen later today, it might happen tomorrow morning, but as soon as we hit 5,000 subs for 5 days, we are running that promotion. So yeah, there you go, guys. So that was oil. Sorry, guys, I just at the corner of my eye, I've seen Daniel. I am an Arsenal fan. Daniel, this is most upsetting. It's my brother's team, actually. And we have had many arguments, shall we say, over football. Anyway, I digress. I was also looking at CAD yen, guys. Yeah. I was also looking at CAD yen. I mean, this is, you know, the day chart I really like on CAD yen. Yeah. So this is what sort of guides my trade, really, is the day chart. All right. And we're potentially, you know, here. If not, you know, a little bit of choppy price action. Yeah, but it, you know, it looks like it's breaking down and we're getting more selling candles than buy. You know, sellers, even this week is last week, Friday, still a selling candle. Yeah, and the idea is still to come down to this blue line. So I like the day chart still, and we're below the moving average 20. You know, and H4, you know, well, H4 has now become a little bit tricky, all right, because we were breaking down nicely on the H4. Yeah, we were getting lower lows. We was in a H4 downtrend. And now we've seen, we really are in a H4 uptrend, guys, okay? And price has come all the way down to these lows, yeah, and we've seen quite bullish reaction. I actually took a little bit off my trade at these lows. Yeah, I've taken a small bit of profit off one of my entries. So this is where I find myself. So I'm well within my risk parameters. I've taken a little bit of, you know, like I say, a little bit of profit down here. And I'm just concerned about this H4 structure. You know, and looking at it, we could potentially come back up to here. And then this level, I really do potentially like for a short. Okay, so the profit I took off down here, if it comes back up here, I will start entering here to sell Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. So we'll see, guys. But again, you know, I'm not going to start selling this now. Yeah, that would be madness. I'm already in this trade. But, you know, if it was a new trade for today, guys, I'm not going to start selling these candles. Yeah, look at those H4 candles. You know, and on the H1, you know, price is breaking. Well, price is still in a H1 downtrend. Okay, and it hasn't broken these highs. You know, this level here is holding. Okay, so if it breaks this level, chances are it's going to get to this level. If it doesn't break this level, then chances are it will come back down to this level. All right, so, you know, but again, nothing's setting up right now. You know, again, if we go back to the H4, you know, you're not going to start selling that. Simple as that. Yeah, those are not selling candles. So that's where we are, guys, with our trades. I'm also looking at silver. Where's silver? There we are. Ha, silver. I have to do that every time we hear silver, because H1 I like, yeah. But again, guys, yeah. So I'm looking for shorts. Let me just explain why I'm looking for shorts on the day chart. So on the day chart, guys, with silver, we are still in a downtrend. Yeah, these are the last highs, and they haven't been broken. I am not going to try and take silver back down to here because of that move. Look at that. Yeah, you know, buyers are pushing that up. But, you know, because we are at these last highs and we're with day trend, I think we can at least make it back down to this grey zone where price reacted before. But again, guys, I'm just getting a lot of mixed messages. I mean, if you looked at it's like if I went on a date with Gal Gadot, I'm sure there'll be many mixed messages, you know. Dream world. So yeah, you know, H4 with silver, you're not really looking to sell that. Yeah, you know, you're just not. Okay, this is in, you know, this kind of, we're here basically. So, you know, difficult to sell that. And these are quite bullish candles. So H4 would suggest buying. Yeah, it would. And we're still above the moving average 20. Whereas H1 is breaking down nicely, really. You know, we've had a breakdown. I highlighted this grey zone at the start of the day. Okay. And, you know, price is still reacting at this grey zone. And then if we zoom in a little bit, you can see H1 structure is breaking down. You know, let's do that again, because I need to take into account this low, guys. This low here, because this is the low it breaks and it comes down, you know, and we're in a H1 downtrend. And ever since we've hit this grey zone, we have had a number of bearish candles. You know, you could have entered on that, you know, not this one. It hasn't finished forming yet, but this one as well. So, you know, we're below the moving average 20. So H1 is telling me to sell, but H4 isn't. So that basically sums up my day at the moment, guys. Yeah, I want to go in a certain direction, but the chart is not giving me the all clear to do that at the moment. So, you know, this is where I find myself at the moment, guys. Yeah. So yeah, let's have a look at a few of your questions now, guys. Right, let's see who is in. Daniel, hi, Simply Forex. Hi, Daniel. Canadian dollar, Swiss franc. Yes, we can take a look at that. Liquid H, how long did it take from 10 subs to 5K? We started in August 21. Yeah, we started in August 21, me and the editor, the elusive, infamous editor. Yeah, so just over 2 years, really, guys. I don't know if that's quick or not quick. I'm not sure, guys. But yeah, so yeah, we remember, 10 subs. Was getting about 4 views. It was brutal. Yeah, but anyway, we stuck with it, and here we are, guys. And thanks to all of you, who have subscribed over the years and made this all possible. We really appreciate it. And those of you who have just logged in or just joined us on the live stream, you'll see the banner at the top of the charts, guys. Because as soon as we hit 5,000 subscribers, we are going to give anyone who wants it 50% off yearly VIP Discord, guys. All right. You do have to join the free VIP Discord. Then you just follow the VIP subscription room within the free Discord. Yeah. And as soon as we hit 5,000 subs, you will see a yearly subscription pop up with 50% off. Just click on that and away you go. All right. So yeah, check it out if you're interested. Pirate Tom, yes. CJ, let's get it this week. Indeed. Paolo, do you consider to hedge if it breaks that high at the H4 chart until your date? Yeah, so Paolo, good question. Yeah, so do you consider to hedge if it breaks that high at the H4 chart on your daily zone? I assume you're talking about CAD yen. And the answer is yes. I'm assuming you're talking about this, Paolo. So to be honest with you, yeah, this is how I've been looking at this trade. So I was taught when price broke this H4 here, yeah, I was thinking about hedging here. Okay. But what put me off this was this. If we plot the Fibonacci levels, yeah, I would have been hedging directly into, yeah, imagine if I started hedging here, I would have been hedging directly into the golden zone of the fib level. So this level between 0.618 and 0.5, yeah, this area in here is like the golden zone of fibs. Yeah, you get price react a lot at this level. And why does it react a lot at this level? Because lots of people use fib levels. Yeah. So if enough people use it, enough people are going to see the same setup, enough people are going to trade it. Okay. So, you know, this fib level. And then once we got this reaction, yeah, you know, then because my hedge was initially about here. Yeah. Just as a normal hedge. Yeah. I put it above all of the fibs and give it a little bit of room. And to be honest with you, you know, I might move it down a little bit, but I'm just going to keep my hedge here. Yeah, I was contemplating just getting hedged here, but because of this fib level, I gave it a little bit of time to react. And now, yeah, I'm just going to keep my hedge here. And yes, if it does come up, you know, I really like this level to sell. All right. But if it does come up and take this hedge, yeah, then yeah, I can perhaps ride it back up to these last highs. And these are daily highs. And I will close this hedge. This is going to be a buy hedge. I will close this hedge, yeah, here. And then I will put a new buy hedge up here for the same value as whatever sells I am in. So, Paolo, that is how I will play it with Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. Because I know some of you hedge, guys, some of you don't. You know, it's not for everyone. I mean, I use it with every trade that I do. And worst case scenario with a hedge is you use it like a stop loss anyway. Yeah, it takes my hedge. I don't like the trade. I don't like how price is playing out. I can just close the hedge and it will be a normal stop loss. You know, so it gives you options hedging, guys. That's why I like it. Right, what else are we looking at? Okay, sorry guys, we've got a couple of members here. You need to yes, Liquid H has come up with an excellent idea, editor. I hope you're on the phone to Gal Gadot. You need to hire Gal Gadot to boost views. Liquid H, what are you saying about me? You know, not enough. It's okay. I'm only joking, but I agree. You probably also wouldn't see me for a few days. Denny, is it because of Monday, Tom? Everything is not setting up. Not necessarily, Denny. You know, it's more about where the charts are. It doesn't necessarily have to be a Monday. You know, sometimes you get them days where we're in a daily downtrend, but at a weekly resistance level. In a daily downtrend, but at a weekly support level. Or basically days like this where you've got lots of uptrends at resistance levels and you've got downtrends at support levels, you know, those days are quiet. Yeah, not a lot goes on. So it depends on what the charts are doing. Yeah, I wouldn't say it's because of a Monday. I would just say, yeah, not a lot is happening. There's not a lot of news today as well. There's literally none. New Zealand were on holiday. So sometimes, you know, we need the news. I know we don't like the news because we have to almost not trade for some of the news. But sometimes we need the news just to kick things into gear, you know. And we're just at a lot of interesting levels, especially with the US dollar, you know. So a lot of these US dollar pairs, you know, like Euro US dollar. This is a good example. You know, we're in like a downtrend stroke range, you know, at a weekly level. You know, prices doesn't really know what to do with itself. We're probably going to get another reaction in here, you know. So yeah, it's just the charts basically is why it's slow, not the day of the week. Right, what else are we looking at? Okay, so who wanted, okay, and Mayo. Let's have a look at Canadian dollar, Swiss franc. Before I do, guys, if I could just ask everyone, if you enjoy my live streams, my analysis vids every day, then please subscribe to the channel right now. We'd love to have you guys. I give you my trade ideas every day, analysis every day. So come join us, subscribe to the channel. Also smash the notification button, guys, so you receive an alert every time we post a vid. And also, if I could ask everyone to please smash the like button. And remember, we want to try and get this to 5,000 subs so everyone can take advantage of the 50% off yearly VIP Discord. Say that after a few vodkas. Speaking of which, okay, so Canadian dollar, Swiss franc. This is a perfect example of what I just explained, and Mayo. So if we go to the day chart, you know, that is one aggressive downtrend, as with all Swiss franc pairs, like New Zealand Swiss franc, Aussie dollar Swiss franc, CAD Swiss franc, Euro Swiss franc are all at weekly support levels. All right, so this goes back to what you were saying, Denny. Why is it quiet? This is another example. So we're clearly in a downtrend. So I want to sell this market. But as you can see, if we go to the weekly chart, I mean, you don't need to go to the weekly to see it, but we are at a weekly support level. So no trade, really. You know, daily downtrend, potentially weekly buyers, you're just going to have that conflict. All right. And that makes markets slow and not do much. If we now go down to the day chart, yeah, there's nothing telling me to sell that because I do not want to sell into this. And there's nothing telling me to buy that. I mean, just look at the candles, regardless of trend. Look at those candles. Nothing's telling me to buy that. But what we have been looking at, guys, those of you on the VIP Discord will know that we've been looking at a weekly strategy with H4. So I'm really interested. In fact, I'm going to put an alarm in here. I'm going to add an alarm. Okay. I'm interested in a H4 break at a weekly level. So if we just follow the H4 down, you can see we're clearly still in a H4 downtrend. But as soon as we break this level here, I think this trade has good potential. Yeah, I think it will be against day trend. Yeah, there's no, you know, hiding from that fact. But if we get a break here, you know, moving average 20 comes round, starts supporting the H4, then I think we've got a nice trade potentially back up to this level of resistance. Okay, so we'll keep an eye on Canadian dollar, Swiss franc. You know, we'll see what happens there. So yeah, that was Canadian dollar, Swiss franc. What else are we looking at, guys? Okay, Liquid H wants to look at New Zealand dollar, US dollar. Okay, let's take a quick look at New Zealand dollar, US dollar. Where are we? As you are a member, Liquid, we will do this. Liquid H. I wonder what that is. Right, let's do a top-down approach. Right, sell it. Yeah, sell New Zealand US dollar. Okay, so let's have a quick look. But if you looked at this weekly chart, I mean, we can even put this in as an area of support. Okay, if you looked at this weekly chart, you would sell it immediately. Yeah, no two ways about it. There's a bit of, bit of a sideways action here, but then a break. Yeah, this is a sell trade. Yeah, we were in a range. You'll see this more clearly on the day chart, but we were in a range, okay, and we broke the lows. Okay, so weekly would definitely suggest to sell that. All right, if we now drop to the day chart, the candles here are less so. They're telling me not to sell it just yet, because we had this candle here. All right, and these are the little intricacies I look for, guys. So none of these candles have broken the low of this candle, and at this point, this very point here, there were a shed load of buyers. Yeah, there were. They've pushed that back up, and then this wick has closed back in to that wick, and it will be interesting to see what this wick does today if it closes back into this. And then if it does, yeah, they keep closing back within one another. Yeah, chances are we're going to get a bit of a retrace. Okay, and that's really what I want to see. This may be a trade for me tomorrow or Wednesday or Thursday, because what I want to see, guys, is potentially a retrace. This grey zone might work if we get a reaction here. Yeah, potentially to this grey zone here, or it could even be up to the moving average 20. Yeah, we get a retrace up to here. Somewhere like here, I'll be looking for a reaction, and then I'm interested in New Zealand US dollar sells, because that weekly chart is just crying out for a sell. But also, guys, if you're ever looking at a New Zealand US dollar pair, look at other US dollar majors. Yeah, look at Euro US dollar, Pound US dollar, Aussie dollar US dollar. What is the collective telling you? All right, and also get data and information from that. So, but we know New Zealand dollar's weak. Yeah, we know it is. Yeah, so we'll see. But I say New Zealand dollar's weak. If we look at New Zealand CAD, we could not be at, any more lows if we tried. If we look at New Zealand yen, everywhere we look, we are at support on every New Zealand pair, which also puts me off selling New Zealand US dollar. Yeah, New Zealand Swiss franc, like we know this is at a level. So for all those reasons, that also deters me from buying New Zealand US dollar, because all of those other charts would suggest a jump off of those support levels. Yeah. So we'll see. Yeah, we'll see if we can get something like that, and then we can start selling it then. So I hope that helps, Liquid H. Right, what else are we looking at, guys? So yeah, I agree. And Mayo, Euro US dollar sitting on long-term weekly support. Yeah, Euro US dollar is potentially a good, longer-term trade, a bit more of a swing trade. Sir Sabrosa, good morning. Tom, good morning, Sir Sabrosa. Angus D. Tom, may you please have a look at old euro pound for me if you get the chance. Please be brutally honest and tell me I'm a pillock for thinking there was price action. Angus, I think we're going to look at it. I was tempted to buy euro pound, but I'm going to explain why I didn't. We'll have a look at that in a second. Hi, Aya. Pound New Zealand sells. Do you think it's ready? Okay, we'll have a look at that. I wouldn't be selling pound New Zealand dollar. What else are we looking at? When do we get to meet the elusive editor? I believe he said when we hit 100,000 subs. So I could be 95 at that point. So yeah, I swear he said 100,000 subs. Editor, what was the number? What did you tell us the number was so we can see you? You're going to be sweating it when we get near that number. Not that he's like terrible to look at or anything, but you know. Right, what else are we looking at? Okay, so euro pound. Yeah, because this is an interesting one, guys. All right. Yeah. So if we look, imagine this, guys. Imagine we were H4 traders. Yeah. So imagine you looked at no other chart than H4. All right. You would be looking at euro pound. Yeah. Broken all these highs over here. It's broken these highs. Yeah. We're clearly in a H4 uptrend. Yeah. I mean, look at this. We're in a H4 uptrend. You know, everything's telling me to buy that. And yeah, look at that. Look at that level. Not only is it a grey support zone, but it's also bang at the moving average 20. We've had a nice bullish bounce off of that level. Look at that candle. You know, if I was trading only the H4, I would bite your hand off, Angus. I'd be like, yep, euro pound, let's buy that all day. Yeah. And a few lads in the VIP Discord, they were also looking to buy that as well. But if I show you the day chart, you know, that is not a sort of daily candle you want to buy into. So that's my 2 pence on euro pound. You know, I just cannot buy that. Yeah. What I can do, yeah, let's say we get, because we're clearly in a daily uptrend, clearly, you know, we was in a, it was breaking down. Yeah. But we have shot back up. Okay. So we are clearly in a daily uptrend. All right. But what I want to see, you know, because of this candle, I'm expecting price to perhaps retrace further, perhaps down to this alarm in here. This is where I'll be interested. Or even, you know, back down to the moving average 20. Something like that, guys. Then I'm very interested. All right. But today, because of this candle, I just can't. And also, if you look at the weekly chart, it was a clean weekly break. Yeah. We are now seeing, yeah, clearly higher highs. Yeah, this body of this candle broke this high, even this high. We're getting higher lows, higher highs. You know, everything is telling me to buy euro pound, but I'm going to wait for a bit of a retrace because if we go back to the day chart, because of this daily candle, this would suggest it's going to come back a bit. Okay. I don't have a crystal ball. I'm not saying it will, but, you know, a candle like that tells me sellers could push this back down. All right. And that's what I want to see, guys. You know, apologies to everyone who took euro pound, you know, and is buying it. But I want to see price come back down to one of these levels or even in here or moving average 20, because then I'm getting excellent value back up to these highs. Yeah, this is where I'll close 80% or take some profit. Yeah, it doesn't always have to be 80%. And then I'll leave some money to run because we are with the weekly trend. All right. So, yeah, euro pound is an interesting one, but want to buy it. But today's not the day to buy it for me. Yeah, depends what your strategy is, guys. Right. What else have we got here? Is it because of Monday time? Okay. Palash, hi Tom. Can you spare a few minutes to explain how to hedge a position effectively? Palash, if you're interested in hedging, come join the VIP Discord channel. Yeah, and that wasn't a little segue into me doing the 5,000 subs thing, but join the VIP Discord, guys. Let me just mention a few things that we do. So, first of all, guys, we have got the free Discord channel. It's free. Come join it. We've got loads of value. We've got traders with sharing their knowledge, ideas, indicators, psychology. Come join it, guys. It's all free. We also have the VIP Discord channel. You do have to pay for this, but you get access to me throughout the trading day, as in you can ask me questions. I give you my trade ideas as and when they happen. We also have two other expert traders sharing their ideas and their analysis. We also give you exclusive content every week. And Palash, this is where we look at hedging and some hedging examples. There's tutorials in there. There's strategy in there. And also, guys, we have access to a performance coach. Yeah, so there's loads of cool things in the VIP Discord. And as you can probably tell by the banner at the top of the screen, as soon as we hit 5,000 subs, yeah, we are going to do 50% off yearly VIP Discord. All right, so check it out, guys. You do need to join the free Discord, and then you can go into the VIP room and sign up for the 50% off yearly. So check that out. What else do we do? We also do a mentorship program. If you would like to read the charts like myself, then drop us an email and I'll send you the details of the mentorship program. The email is in the video description, and all of this is in the live chat as well. And also, guys, if you watch the live streams every day, you watch the analysis vids every morning, then come join us. Yeah, you can become a Simply Forex YouTube member. Yeah, we've got, I always say beginner, but it's not beginner. What have we got? What are our levels? Mr. Editor, please help me. We have got supporter. He remembered. We got supporter, gold, and legend. Okay, and each tier has more and more perks, guys. So you can also become a Simply Forex YouTube member as well, guys. So all of that's in the VIP all of that's in the live chat, guys, okay? And the video description. And don't forget, as soon as we hit 5,000 subs, 50% off, boom. Right, what else are we looking at? I'm at a low. Apologies, Angus, for making you feel low. It's not my intention. Okay, so the editor has agreed. He did say 1 million, but he's backtracked. We will be 104 by the time we get to 1 million. But he's fine. I'll come on at 100,000 subs. Maybe you can pop out of a cake. I don't know. Okay, Angus, I have tunnel vision for the H1 chart. Broaden those horizons. Yeah, I'm not saying it's a bad thing, but you want to look at the bigger picture so you don't get trapped into bad trades. Yes, so Denny, what's up, Kev? Are you going to host the show tomorrow? Yes, thank you for reminding me, Denny and Kev. So tomorrow, guys, Kev's doing his podcast. Yeah, Sit on Your Hands podcast. So tomorrow, I won't be doing it. It will be Kev, and he's interviewing someone from a prop firm, I believe. I'm sure Kev will give you more information. So yeah, come join that tomorrow, guys. That will be interesting. So I'm sure lots of you do prop firm challenges. Maybe you've got some questions about them. So yeah, come join the Sit on Your Hands podcast hosted by our resident DJ, Kev. It's not a DJ. He is actually a performance coach. Right, what else are we looking at? So, Zal, may I know your favorite pairs in your watch list? I give you my watch list every morning. Yeah, so we do the live streams now, but we also do the morning analysis vid. So check that out, Zal. Go watch that, and it will tell you exactly what I'm looking to trade for that day. Okay. Okay, so what else we look at? I saw another question here, guys. Pound yen, Swiss franc, Japanese yen. Okay, so somebody wanted to look at Swiss franc, Japanese yen. Here we go. So we was discussing this in the VIP Discord as well, guys. All right. So this is uncharted territory. Yeah, if you look at Swiss franc, Japanese yen, yeah, if you keep scrolling left, yeah, you'll see there isn't anything. Okay, my computer's even stopped working. Yeah, I'm gone back to 2005. Okay, so you are in uncharted territory. So how do you pick a target, and how would you trade this? It's a good question, really. So I'm going to drop down to the day chart. What I would need to do, so generally speaking, I am going to go to 50 or 00 levels. Okay. So you can see we're at 168.02. So my next target would be 168.50. My target after that would be 169.00. Yeah, and aim for the psychological levels. All right, because we have nothing to, we have no reference point, yeah, to go against. How I would really like to trade this is this, yeah. We get a retrace back down to here, yeah, because there's no value up here anyway. Yeah, we get a retrace perhaps down to this grey zone here, perhaps the moving average 20, yeah, and then as soon as we retrace, I have a reference point. Yeah, so I just wait for the retrace. I wait for a bullish reaction. Something tells me that we can start taking this higher, and then I'm going to look to take it back up to this level, and that becomes, these last daily highs become my target. This 168 level will become my target. So that's how I would trade Swiss franc yen. Yeah, wait for a retrace, and then you've got a clear target, guys. All right. And on that note, guys, we're going to call it a day. So can I just ask everyone to, please come join the channel if you haven't already, subscribe. And if everyone could please smash the like button. And also, guys, everyone, as soon as we hit 5,000 subs in the free Discord room, we are going to have 50% off our VIP yearly Discord membership. All right. So come check it out. It's going to run for 5 days, 5,000 subs. We're doing it for 5 days only. You need to come into join the free Discord first of all, and then you can take advantage of this offer for the VIP Discord, guys. All right. So keep your eyes out for that. Thank you very much for all your time. And thank you to everyone for getting us to 5,000 subs. Well, we're not there quite yet, touch wood. But yeah, we appreciate all of you guys taking the time to come watch us. Appreciate all your questions. And happy trading, guys. I'll see you later.